Right, so we've got this. We need to be cutting off the hooks, the deadlock and the bottom hook, because the mechanism has completely failed. We've tried, we can't get it in any other way, so we're going to go ahead. Put the spreader on. Put it the right way. Spread the dough. And if you can see, what we need to do is we need to make sure we've got a minimum of 7mm distance, and that's why we're putting the spreader in. There we go. We then get the frame protector, which will go above the hook and simply slide down over the hook. We're then going to release the spreader, which in turn puts all the pressure on the dough and keeps this nice and tight. There we go. Now using the Magi-Blade, hey mate, Magi-Blade, we're going in, going across and simply cutting. Cutting through the bolt. We then put the spreader back in. Pushes the pressure away from the guard, push it back up, release that. Complete them steps on the deadlock and the bottom hook, and then the door will be opened.